Hey friends, if you wish to fix OneDrive sync issues on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Click on the OneDrive icon, wait till it loads. Click on the settings symbol here. Click on the download pointing arrow associated with pause syncing. Click on quick OneDrive and then select quit OneDrive. Okay, search for OneDrive in the Windows search bar and open OneDrive. This will solve syncing issues. Now, one exception is if the OneDrive server is down. So if this doesn't solve, then check for OneDrive server status and hit enter. Okay, and then you can check for the OneDrive server status and I mean across other different websites, and if it is good, then it should be good to go. You can also check it on downdetector.com and connectivity.office.status. Okay, if it's I mean healthy in your region, then it's good. Okay, and also check it on down detector, is any recently reported outage. If not, then everything is good. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.